probably want to know what this video is all about. This video shows a lab demo, a chemistry lab demo. And what the students will be doing is following the same procedure to basically redo this demo as a lab. The demo is all about crushing spinach leaves and using acetone to extract chlorophyll from those leaves. And then what they will do is extract the chlorophyll, as I said, and then expose it to UV light to see energy levels, to see it fluoresce a red light, and through that they will learn about the structure of atoms and molecules and the different energy levels involved and what kind of light and energy is emitted based on these structures. So there's a lot to learn, and you can apply this lab in many different ways. But it's a pretty good lab, and the main idea is to do this in a chemistry class, to learn about the structure of matter.
Art, our green planet. But why is it green?
Because plants are green. But why are plants green? Because they have chlorophyll in them. Chlorophyll is very important in photosynthesis because plants use chlorophyll to absorb light from the sun. Chlorophyll can absorb red light and blue light, but not green. That is why it has the color green. Today, we'll do a lab. We'll place the chlorophyll under UV light and it won't be green anymore.
In order to do this, we'll need about 150 grams of fresh or frozen spinach, a medium mortar and pestle. We have 250 and 500 milliliter beakers, a retort stand with a funnel and coffee filter. We'll need to use acetone for the extraction. To see a nice fluorescence, we'll need a test tube and ultraviolet light, as simple as that.
Well, hello there. Well, the first thing you're going to need to do to the frozen spinach is grind it up in the mortar and pestle. What this does is it destroys the plant structures that are actually holding the chlorophyll in place. With the mashing complete, we can now transfer the broken up spinach into the 500 milliliter beaker. Now it's time to add that acetone, which allows us to dissolve the chlorophyll. Now it's time to stir. This will allow us to extract even more chlorophyll. Now don't get tired. We now filter out the unwanted plant matter, giving us the chlorophyll-rich acetone. We put chlorophyll in a test tube before shining it with UV light. Voila! Plant blood.
So, why does chlorophyll look red?
So why is chlorophyll red under UV light? Well, super easy answer. Chlorophyll absorbs energy from the UV light we shine on it, and then the electrons move to a higher energy level. When they lose energy, they fall back down to their ground state, and voila, we see supernatural red blood, which is plant blood.
Fluorescence? Tell me about this.
Fluorescence is the awesome scientific phenomena in which electrons fall down from a higher energy level, and the human eye actually sees a nice glow. And to some, it may look like an extraterrestrial alien kind of glow, which is what we see in our awesome lab here.
Oh, hi. You probably don't know what I think of the movie. The movie, we worked a lot on it, so I think it's going to be a blockbuster hit. I really, really do. Or at least I hope. So much effort has gone into it that I feel we've really done something special here. I mean, the movie has everything that a great movie should have. We have great actors. I mean, it's not easy working with acetone, but you know, we have acetone in the movie. We have a crazy director. Richard is not, but crazy in being creative. We also have an inspiring story, and a story that everyone can relate to. And bleeding plants, who can't relate to that? I'm, to be honest, glad that we made this movie. I think we've created something special, something that will revolutionize the movie industry. And I predict that soon every child will ask their parents for acetone and spinach so that they can bleed.